Hey everyone, I just picked up a few of my fleet and this is how they come. This is the El Capitan we're going to demo today. We're at the Sparks Marina and just unboxing, if you will. Woo! Just kidding. Okay. So it does come with a pump, but I'm going to be using my electric pump today, just because for convenience, I really prefer it. But these are great. I mean, I'll do that in the next demo for sure. So it's going to come like this. When you buy from me, I will take it out of the box and put it all together for you, of course, because I'm going to give you a lesson, or whoever you give this to. So it's going to fit in this awesome bag, complete with wheels. And if you look on the Facebook page, you can see, you can check this as luggage. So you'll be able to take it with you to Hawaii, to Florida, where it's 50 bucks an hour, or it's $30 for a half an hour to rent a paddleboard. When you're gonna be in paradise, you wanna be on the water every day as much as you want, and this is yours. So you don't have to pay for it. Just one time with me, and remember, support local. Wait for 10 minutes to blow up. I prefer the electric pump, so I'm thinking it's probably gonna take 15 minutes with the hand pump. So awesome. Don't even need to really invest in the electric pump, but I do get to get on the water right away and check out this board. It is freaking the El Capitan, and now I know where it got its name. This is an awesome board. These handles I just absolutely love, and the look, it's so clean. It is just amazing. Can't wait to get it on the water. We'll send you some videos real soon. I had to stop by the lighthouse to get a kombucha to take on the water, and my arm's in the wrong place, sorry. But with my super strap and my brand new El Capitan, look at how big this board is, you guys. It's like a dock. Let's go play. All right. Hey everyone, it's Lisa G, and I am unboxing the El Capitan from Pop Paddleboards. You guys, I'm so excited about this board. The stuff I love about this board is there's literally a Sony caddy for all your devices. And then, you know, it's just so stable. I've got my kombucha from the lighthouse just sitting right there. I can walk around on this board and still not worry about the kombucha falling. So it is quite stable. You could fit 2 people easily, or a large dog. I love the cargo space that they've got going on in front, and then they have another one in back. The handles are just amazing. And ladies, if you're okay, so my review of the El Capitan, move back a little bit so they can see the whole board, is it's a totally solid ride. This board is so durable. It is so stable. You know, it could easily be the board for me and my dog. And I haven't wanted to take her on the water because she is so squirrely. But I'm really pleased with it. I love the caddy for you know, devices, and then the 2 cargo racks and the handles. Sarah and I carried it together with those handles, and this handle is really nice as well. I use the super strap to take it down. And all in all, if I was going to sell a paddleboard, yes, I am selling these, I would sell this board. So that's my review. It's honest, because I'm not that invested in it. What I'm invested in is quality, and this is definitely a board for someone who needs the more stable board. I can't wait to open up the Royal Hawaiian. You'll have to watch that